Welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, we're starting a fun series about daily shopping. In this first episode, we'll learn how to prepare before going to the store. Let's begin. Making a shopping list. First, grab a pen and paper or open a notes app on your phone. Write down the items you need to buy. For example, milk, bread, eggs, vegetables, snacks. Do I have everything I need on the list? Checking your budget. Set a budget for your shopping trip. For example, I'll spend no more than $50 today. I'll look for items on sale. Let's stick to the budget. Getting ready to leave. Make sure you have everything you need. Your shopping list, your wallet or card, a reusable shopping bag. Now you're ready to go. I'm off to the store. I'm off to the store.
Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll learn how to find the items you need in a store. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Easy English Daily. See you soon.